Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9. Exercise 1.3 question number 8. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about irrational numbers between two given rational numbers. For example, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. It means I want to describe about irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Clear? No confusion? Firstly, I want to describe about rational number, because you can ask question to me, what is rational number? A number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. Rational number are two types. First, terminating rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5, 1 by 4 equal to 0.25. Second, non-terminating but repeating rational number. For example, 1 by 3 equal to 0.333 till infinite. 2 by 3 equal to 0.666 till infinite. 22 by 7 equal to 3.142857, 142857, 142857 till infinite. Rational number is clear, no confusion about rational number. Now I want to describe about irrational number, because you can ask question, what is irrational number? A number which we can not write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, is called irrational number. Root of all prime numbers are irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13, root 17, root 19, root 23, so on till infinite. Quality of irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating. Quality of irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating. Clear? No confusion about irrational number. For example, 0.10, 110, 1110 till infinite. Next example, 0.10, 100, 1000 till infinite. Rational number and irrational number are clear? No confusion about rational number and irrational number? Very good. It is very easy finding of irrational numbers between two given rational numbers. Is very easy. You can find your solution very easily, but you concentrate your mind and solve it with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay, see the board. NCERT number system class 9 exercise 1.3 question number 8. Clear? Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Question is clear? No confusion about question? You find three irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Clear? No confusion? It is very easy. You can find very easily your solution. Clear? See the board. Divide 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Firstly, you divide 5 by 7 and find its value in a decimal. Then you divide 9 by 11 and find its value in decimal. Clear? No confusion? See the board. 5 by 7. 5 is smaller than 7, so you cannot divide 5/7. So you write decimal. Clear? And write 0 on after 5. Clear? It become 50. Now 50 is greater than 7, so you can divide 50 by 7. 7 7 ja 49. Clear? You write 49 and subtract 49 from 50. You find 1. Now you write 0 after 1, it become 10. 10 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. You subtract 7 from 10, you find 3. Write 0 after 3. It become 30. Now 30 divided by 7. 7 4 ja 28. 28 subtract from 30, you find 2. Now you write 0 after 2. It become 20. 20 divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14. Subtract 14 from 20, you find 6. Now write you 0 after 6, it becomes 60. 60 divided by 7. 7 8 ja 56. 56 subtract from 60, you find 4. Now write 0 after 4. It becomes 40. Now divide 40 by 7. 7 5 ja 35. 35 subtract 40, you find 5. 5 is your remainder. 5 is your remainder. And 7 1 4 2 8 5 repeated till infinite. So you can write 5 by 7 equal to 0.714285 bar. Clear? Bar means repetition. Here repetition of 714285. Clear? So you write it 0.714285 bar. Clear? No confusion. You find very easily division by law of 5 by 7. Clear? No confusion. See the board. Now you divide 9 by 11. 9 is smaller than 11, so you cannot divide it. You write 0 and write 0 on right side of 9. You write decimal. Here decimal and here 0 on right side of 9. Clear? It becomes 90. 90 is greater than 11, so you can divide it. 11 8 ja 88. 88 subtract from 90, you find 2. Now you write 0 after 2, it becomes 20. 20 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11. You subtract 11 from 20, you find 9. 9 is your remainder. 9 is your remainder. And 8 1 is repeated. So you can write 9 by 11.81 bar. 0.81 bar means repetition of 81 till infinite. Clear? So you can write 9 by 11.81 bar. Clear? You find division by law of 9 by 11 very easily. Clear? See the board. 5 by 7 equal to 0.714285 till infinite. Clear? 714285 714285 till infinite equal to 0.714285 bar. It means the value of 5 by 7 equal to 0.714285 bar. Clear? No confusion? Very good. 9 by 11 equal to 0.81 81 81 81 till infinite equal to 0.81 bar. It means here 0.81 bar. Bar means repetition. Repetition of 81. Bar means repetition of 81. So you can write 9 by 11 equal to 0.81 bar. Clear? 5 by 7 is a rational number, 9 by 11 is a rational number. Its value 0.714285 bar is rational number and 0.81 bar is a rational number. Now you find three irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. It means you find three irrational numbers between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. Clear? No confusion. You can write very easily. You can write three irrational numbers very easily between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. Clear? Three irrational numbers. First 0.730, 7300, 73000 till infinite. It is first irrational numbers between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. Clear? Second example 0.7650, 76500, 76500 till infinite. It is second irrational number between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. Third example 0.80, 8000 till infinite. It is third example of irrational number between rational number 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. It means you find three irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Very easy. It is very easy. You solve your question very easily. You find three irrational numbers very easily. In this way, you can find infinite irrational numbers between two given rational numbers, because there are infinite irrational numbers between two given rational numbers. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.